Hi guys, we have a gift from Ate Love Love, a birthday gift. What can you say? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Happy? Kita naghatag. Ho 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 ho. Ho ho. Tara tara. Thank you. I'm so grateful.
Open.
Open daw, open.
Open.
You guys, open na.
Open din. Okay. Sige, open.
Open.
Sige, open. Open.
Kaya girl. Kaya girl.
Sige.
Need help. What's inside? I'm so excited. I will open for you. Kumusta daw tong? Arigato. Open na to guys. Ayan gifts guys. Hindi magkabubos yung shopping sa ayan. Nakita ba nga? Tuob-tuob. Surprise! Yay! Wow! It's a bracelet, guys! Ayan, gikuha kay gilakmate niya, guys. Kaagad-agad, guys. Thank you! It's pink! I love it! Mahulog ka, girl! Mahulog, girl! Mahulog ka, girl! Sa excitement, girl! Yeah!
Wow.
Wow!
Wow. What's that?
It's a bracelet.
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 Yo, suot.
Okay.
Suot the bracelet.
Abi to yung kamot be isa. Wow, coming for Ate Love Love. It's very nice.
Okay.
Mahulog ka. Mahulog ka. Hold it.
Oh, bracelet. Yo, kuha da itom. Ganda naman. Okay, wow. Sana all girl na girl.
Show it. Show it. Taas. Iba taas. Guys, I'm very proud. Okay, love it. Thank you. Ate Love.